ugly. Yeah, we're gonna change that. I don't like the red with the non-red. Call it crimson orange. Crimson red, crimson orange. I don't know, but I'm gonna see if I can't restore this dash pad. It's gonna be some work, but I think we can make it happen. All right.
Through the turmoil in the tinfoil, I could wait my early line. I could see you in the darkness, and I'm running through the night. I recall a silver morning.
So I got her mostly cleaned up. I'm in the process of cutting the edges up because they're all, you can tell, it's pretty bad. It's been sitting in the sun for like 15-20 years, and yeah, you just it's pretty crunchy. You hear that? Yeah, I'm gonna be cutting all this out where the speakers were and probably patch that up. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do the best I can on this dash because I really don't want to spend $300 on a new one. I guess I can look around some wrecking yards, but I'm gonna see if this could be the cheaper route. Anyways, yeah.
No, you never said you're sorry.